we are checking how to identify the particular field is mandatory or display, or it is
Okay.
suppressed. Suppressed means hidden one.
Hidden. Okay.
Okay, so assume I have created this material.
Okay.
So 9 some series of 0 with 31, and
Okay.
I maintain these four views while creating the material.
Okay, sir.
Just I give plant and storage location, and keep in
Okay.
mind why the system is asking me to enter the plant and storage location is we have selected one field called purchasing view. So
Pur-
purchasing view of the material will be maintained at plant level.
Purchasing Vivo. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, the third one, see here the purchasing view.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and as well as it the system is asking me to enter the storage location as well, because the third view what we have selected here when creating a material is related to storage one.
Okay.
So plant is also mandatory to enter, and as well as storage location is also mandatory to enter.
Enter.
So that is the reason the system is asking us to enter these two fields.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
remove these and remove this and try to enter. System will allow.
Okay.
System will allow because basic data will not be maintained at plant level or
Okay.
storage location level. So basic data is means it is general. It is at
Okay.
company level, client level,
Client level. Okay.
client
Okay.
level. So if you click on purchasing, see
Uh-huh.
it is not showing any data, because
Okay.
if you given the plant will show here
Okay. Okay, sir.
plant. For example, similarly the third, see here storage location is also not showing because we have not entered anything.
Entered.
So now I
Oh,
will enter and we'll check. See, 31 is our plant, ZA31. Storage location is ZA41. See, enter. See, again, I am not seeing any plant or storage location here on the screen or below the
okay.
material number. The reason
Okay.
is it is basic data.
Okay. Okay.
Basic data is in client level, not purchasing or plant level or storage location level.
Okay.
So if you
Okay,
select
sir.
the purchasing view, see here, plant will come automatically.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so purchasing
Understand.
view is maintained at plant level.
Plant level.
Okay, if we have three plants and you can
Okay.
maintain three different data at
Okay,
plant
sir.
levels. For
Okay.
example,
Okay.
9 some series of 0 with 31 is for plant ZA31. You can maintain one type of data.
Okay, sir.
Same 9 series of 32. 32 is nothing but assume it is a belt or any laptop or mouse. Material is same, only number is different.
Okay.
In that
Okay.
case, you can maintain other different datas. That is
Okay. Okay, sir.
with respect to the plant level.
Okay.
Similarly, so if you select the next plant data and storage location data, see here, the one more field is added, that is ZA41. So storage location data has come here. Earlier it was not there.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
hope you
Yeah.
understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now,
Oh, in client level, only material will be there, and in purchase level, purchase organization, plant level will be there, and in the plant storage level, even storage level will come.
yeah, storage location.
Oh, oh, storage location in plant data.
Yeah, in
Okay, right, sir.
plant data
Understand.
and storage, as the name indicate, just here, plant data and as well as storage location data.
Storage location.
Here
Yes, yes,
both
yes.
plant and storage location.
Understand, sir.
If you go for the purchasing view, but here see
Mm.
here purchasing is there, but storage location data is not there here. Storage something, there is no name of storage like here.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so keep in mind
Mm-hmm.
purchasing data is at plant level.
Plant level. Understand, sir. By seeing the tab and the columns, I
Yes.
can understand.
Okay, fine. So now what I do is I will open some Word file. So today class we will discuss the new topic, purchase info record.
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
purchase info record. I will explain the theory part. Then I will tell you what are the prerequisites required, etc. and all. Purchase info record. So first, understand the meaning of these three words, what it indicates. The first line, what I will write here. So record
Mm-hmm.
first. You read from the right side.
Okay, okay.
Record, then
Info.
info, second point, and purchase is third.
Third, okay.
So purchase info record is a record or
Okay,
data.
okay.
That data is
Mm.
maintained
Mm.
and information. That
Okay,
data maintained and information related
okay.
to purchasing
Purchased.
of material with some vendor.
Okay, okay, sir.
What is purchase info record? Purchase info record is a record or
Okay. It is a data.
data or an
Mm-hmm.
information maintained for purchasing a material,
Okay. From a
purchasing
vendor.
a material with respect
From
to
a
specific vendor.
vendors.
Okay. So now
Right.
I can also write like this. You can tell in other word, purchase info record is a combination of material and vendor data.
Okay.
What is
Purchase
purchase info
vendor
record?
material.
Material and vendor combination data. In simple word for understanding.
Okay,
If
okay,
someone
sir.
asks you what is purchase info record, you can say that this is the information, this is a
Okay,
record, or this is a
okay,
data where we
okay,
are maintaining the price of the material for that
okay,
particular vendor.
okay, okay. For maintaining
Assume,
price of the material.
yes, price of the
Okay, sir.
material means not only the exactly the word price, purchasing data.
Okay, I
Main
understand, sir.
purchasing
Understand.
data means obviously price will come into the picture, but as
Okay,
well as quantity is also come into the picture.
okay, okay, sir.
There are other than price, some data are coming to the picture. The major one is price.
Okay, okay, sir.
Assume you have a one manufacturing plant and your raw material is rubber, or
Okay,
assume you have an IT infrastructure company and your job is to sell the laptops.
okay.
Okay, so you have different vendors,
Mm-hmm.
vendor 1, vendor 2, vendor 3. What is your
Okay,
product? Your project is laptop.
okay,
So you have three different vendors. All three different vendors will give different price for that
okay.
particular material.
Uh-huh.
So for that material, you are going to maintain the price of the vendor one. That is one
Okay,
price.
okay.
Same material, again vendor two,
Mm-hmm.
vendor two price. Same material with vendor three. So
Okay,
all these data means price, quantity, what is the discount of the vendor, what is the
mm-hmm.
minimum material we need to procure from the vendor. Some vendor will demand that if your order is 10,000 quantity, then only I
Mm-hmm.
will supply. Otherwise, I will not accept your purchase order because it is demand.
Okay,
He has its own good quality of products.
okay, okay,
Maybe you might have visited some any storeroom. They will say that yeah, minimum purchase of products is 5 shirts. That
okay,
is
sir.
what condition will be there, right? If you purchase
Yeah, yeah.
5 shirts, then only they will give some discounts.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, depends upon the vendor and his conditions.
Corrections.
Understood?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So what we do now is, so what is purchase info record?
Sir, actually, it is a data or information.
Mm-hmm.
It is a data or information. Maintaining a price of a material from with respect to a particular vendor.
Vendor. That's all you need to say. Or in simple word, you can say that it is a combination of material, vendor, data.
It is a
If so,
combination of material vendor data.
yeah, if someone asks you what data, then you will be able to tell that yeah, purchasing data,
Purchasing data.
price,
Understand, understand, sir.
quantity, discounts, any additional charges, shifting charges,
Okay,
etc.
okay.
All those, no, see, whenever you procure any material, so there will not be any say that only price will come into the picture, but along
Mm-hmm.
with the price, some other data will also come into the picture.
Okay, sir.
In
Okay.
the summer season, the vendor may give more offer. In the some winter
Mm-hmm.
season, he will not give any offer. So all those
Okay.
things will need to maintain with respect to validity as well. For
Okay. Okay.
example, there is a huge demand of umbrella in the rainy season. In that case, he will
Mm-hmm.
not give any discount.
Yes, sir.
In the month of from June to December, he will not give any discounts. So you will need to
Okay.
maintain the validity for 2 years. There will not be any discounts. After
Okay.
2 years, so the particular vendor is giving some discounts.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So all those things, whatever the conditions are there, all those conditions or
Okay.
informations
Mm-hmm.
related to the material price with respect to that particular vendor, not
Vendor.
for all the vendors.
Okay, sir.
With
Okay.
respect to only one vendor, we will
Only one vendor.
maintain the data. That is purchase info record.
Right, sir.
Okay. So this is also a master data. It will not
Okay, sir.
change frequently. It will not change again and again.
Okay.
So it is a constant data, minimum for a period of time, maybe for three
Okay, sir.
years, 4 years, or 5 years. Depends
Mm-hmm.
upon the business and depends upon the type of material they are procuring from the vendor.
Okay, sir. Right.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So are you able to see my screen again?
Yes, sir. Able to see. The
Yeah.
SAP screen is not visible, sir.
No, no, no. Which screen it is visible now?
Word is
Word.
visible.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So something I have written here. I will delete it. Okay. So let me check whether it is recording. Yes, it is recording. So now, what are the prerequisites for creating purchase info record? That is the first question.
What are the three
Prerequisites.
digits?
Prerequisites. So to create a purchase info record, what are the data you required? First,
Material and
yeah,
plant
I
code,
will
sir.
explain. I will explain. Okay. So material you required first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This material you are procuring from vendor. So one vendor is required.
Okay.
Okay. And material price with respect to vendor, that is also required. Some data. And as
The
well as,
material I require material from vendor.
yeah, one
Okay.
material,
Mm-hmm.
one vendor. Assume that
Okay.
one material we need, one vendor is required, and purchase organization. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll check
Okay,
in
sir.
the system as well whether these datas are right or wrong. Whatever I have written here is right or wrong. We'll check in the system.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So purchase info record, it is a master data. It is a combination of material and vendor data. So what are the data we are maintaining here is, so price, quantity, discounts, all those things. So
Okay,
now
friends.
we are going to in the system.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So first we'll check whether materials are there in our system or not. We will list some materials. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the T code to get a list of materials?
MKVZ, sir.
Yes. What is material? Or what is the T code for getting vendor list?
For vendor list, it is MKVZ.
Uh-huh.
And for viewing all material, um, not sure, sir. Forget, sir.
Okay. So MM60 is a T code to get list
Sir,
of materials.
MM60. Okay, yeah, MM60.
List of materials.
Okay, sir, I'll remember this MM60.
You have to okay, as a consultant, we must remember the T codes
T
because
codes, yes, sir.
yeah, your job is to get list of materials, reports, etc.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. And there is one more table, one more T code is also there. If you go to this
Sir, I
XE16N,
have one more question, sir.
first let me explain first. If you have any doubts, you can ask later.
Later, okay, right, sir.
Okay. Is it related to this MM60?
Yeah, no, not related to this, regarding
Then
this.
because the flow will break down.
Okay, okay, right.
Okay. So there is one more way you also get the list of materials. SC16N, it is an ABAP table,
Mm-hmm.
ABAP dictionary you can call. Here also we can fetch the data. I will also tell both procedure. First I will use MM60. I will open the system. So what is the T code?
Sir, sir, I'm not
MM60.
able to view any SAP screen, sir.
1 minute. No? Visible,
No,
right?
no, sir, no, SAP screen is not visible.
1 minute.